welcome back to Pabbly, and just like you, I also regularly post new videos on my YouTube channel, and I want to notify my community whenever I post a new video so that I can gain more views and engagement on my video. But doing this manually is such a tedious task, so to solve this problem, I am going to create an automation today where whenever I'm going to post a new video on YouTube within seconds and in real time, automatically my community on Discord will be notified. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL, and in the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on sign up for free, and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So once you get 100 of tasks free, this means that you can notify your community with hundreds of video, and that too for free. So yes, follow me, grab your laptops and click on this add trigger button. After we click on this add trigger button, search for YouTube and select YouTube over here. For the event, you have to select it as new video in channel with video URL and click on this connect. If you have already created a connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once you click on this sign in with Google, select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection, with the help of which your YouTube channel is connected. Now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permission, so click on this continue. Your data is 100% safe with us. Give Pabbly all the permissions and your YouTube account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Then you have to select the channel ID and click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just let you know that YouTube is a pooling based application. So pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time in order to check for the new data. And over here in the case of YouTube, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. So if you wish to reduce or increase this time, make sure first of all you click on this save, and after you click on this save, you have to left click on this YouTube and click on this set trigger time. From here you can set the trigger time. The minimum is 10 minutes, so I'm going to keep it as 10 minutes only. And now we're going to click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just do the test submission so that we can capture the response for the same. So open your YouTube and let's say I'm going to upload a video. I'm going to go towards this create, and then I'm going to go towards this upload video. I'm going to select the file which I wish to upload. So I'm going to upload this video right over here. I'm going to keep the title as Telegram bot for free. Same in the description, I'm going to keep the same title. After this, I'm going to go towards this next. And no, it is not made for kids, so let's go towards this next, and we're going to upload this video. So I'm going to keep it as public and publish, and you can see that we have successfully uploaded this video. After we published this video, what we have to do is we have to go back towards our workflow and click on this save and send test request. Once we click on the save and send test request, you're going to see that yes, we have received the response for the same video, which is Telegram bot for free over here. First of all, if you wish, you can definitely do the same thing. You can upload the video and click on the save and send test request. Otherwise, if you directly click on the save and send test request, the last video which you uploaded, the details of the same will be captured as the webhook response. And after you capture this webhook response, what you have to do is you have to notify your team on Discord or your community on Discord about the new video. So click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Discord and select it. For the event, select send channel message. So if you wish to send HTML message, you can select HTML. If you want to send plain, you can select markdown and click on this connect. It is going to ask you for the webhook URL, so open your Discord, go towards this server name, then server settings. After you come on the server settings, from the left end of the site, go on this integrations and then webhooks. Now you have to click on this new webhook button, something like this spicy bot. So what you have to do is you have to change the name and also the channel. So let's say for the name, I'm going to keep it as YouTube, and now for the channel, I'm going to select the channel in which I want to send the message, which is this YouTube videos. Make sure that you select the same channel in which you want to send the message. Then copy the webhook URL and click on this save changes. And now you have to paste the webhook URL right over here in your workflow. After you paste this webhook URL, it is going to ask you for the message. So enter the message. So I want the message to be new video alert. We just dropped a new video on our YouTube channel. This is the video title and you can watch the video here. So over here for the video title, I'm going to enter the video title, but we're not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So like I map this video title, I'm going to map the video URL to. Further, if you wish to add breaks in this message, you can also add breaks over here. So yes, you can see that we have completed this message. Now it is asking me for the bot name and the bot icon. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the bot name and the icon, but I'm going to keep it as blank only because it is not required. For the text to speech, I'm going to keep it as disable and click on this save and send test request. You're going to see that we have received the response that we have successfully sent this channel message. So let's open our Discord and we're going to go back towards our channel. So yes, you can see that we have successfully sent this message. Over here is the title and over you're going to see the video URL. Further, if they wish, you can definitely watch the video directly from Discord, or if they wish, they can open this on YouTube and watch this video. So easy, right? And this can be really helpful if you are a gamer or if you regularly publish your software videos on your YouTube channel. Your community will be notified instantly, like within 10 minutes whenever you post a new video, and this can gain engagement on your videos, likes, and also notify your community about the new video published. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to publish a new video on our YouTube channel, within minutes our community on Discord will be notified that we have posted a new video. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, try this workflow. If you wish, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below. You can check out my workflow too and create this for your own business. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.